This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Skaff-Gregg. Wonderfully remodeled top to bottom with a beautiful open floor plan. The home has all new windows, new flooring throughout, new kitchen cabinets and countertops, new stainless steel appliances and 2 new bathrooms. There are 2 bedrooms on the main and a 3rd bedroom down with egress. Full finished basement with family room, all new sheetrock and paint. The home has recently painted asphalt siding on the exterior. New sheathing and roof shingles in 2017, new gutters 2017. New furnace and central air 2012. Radon mitigation system installed 2016. Garage off the alley and parking pad for additional off-street parking. For more information, review the details below or contact Skaff-Gregg.